Hello everyone, so today we are going to do one skirt, the pencil skirt, how to style in different ways. I'm going to show you there are some 13 different looks with this one pencil skirt. This is really good for a formal wear or for official wear. It can be converted from day to night look as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video and let's get started. Okay, so this is our skirt, and yeah, I'm going to show you how we can style in 12 to 13 different ways. This is a skirt which I got from mall, I guess Shoppers Stop. It's a basic skirt. Along with that we have this black shoes. If it is pointed, it's great. Then we have one bling bag, which is a sling bag, that's optional. And then we have a grey or a black shoulder bag. Okay, so this is our first look. So I'm wearing a top which can be converted from day to night look. So this is the second look wherein I'm wearing with a blazer. The first look was without blazer, and this is the second look with blazer. So you can convert actually from day to night look. And this is our third look. So yeah, I'm wearing this again with one of the jackets. It has some small checks and it really complements with the grey and the black color. And yeah, it really looks complemented with each other, all the colors. Okay, now this is a nice color. I mean, it's a maroon color, and which really goes very well with the grey skirt. And in another way, what I have done is I have just brought in one scarf, or I'm just pairing with a blazer, with the same blazer. And yeah, so here I have created another look. This is like a little bit of, you can tuck in the scarf and all, so it gives a little bit of chic and clean look. You can see in the picture. Yeah, and the same shirt, the maroon color, which I wore in the previous look, I'm pairing it with a vest. I think I've taken this from Jaipur and it really complements. So yeah, this is another look with a bling bag, or a sling bag with a bling, I would say, which converts into the night wear or the party wear. And now I'm pairing the skirt with the turtleneck. The turtleneck, I think it's winter now, so you can pair it with turtlenecks as well. So yeah, some accessories and a shoulder bag, and you're good to go. Yeah, the same you can ditch, shoulder bag from the sling bag, it becomes your party wear. So the same turtleneck I'm wearing with a jacket, the same jacket. So this also created another look with the same pencil skirt. So I didn't get a picture to actually put it over here, so maybe at the end I'll show. So the same turtleneck I'm wearing with the black blazer and the grey pencil skirt. So yeah, it really complements black and grey. It's always good to go. You can probably ditch the shoes and wear something, sandals and all also, if you want to convert it into night look. So these were all the looks, 13 looks wherein you can use the grey pencil skirt. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye and take care.